Andy Johnson, Minnesota State University, teaching morality in public schools without offending anybody. Starts with a definition. Morality is a code of behavior based on a set of values. Whose values? It's important that you do identify a set of values. Values are different from behaviors. Now, the traditional view of morality was simply conforming to the rules of right conduct. But who decides what is right? Traditional values, you say. All right, well, whose tradition? Is it a religious tradition, a workers' tradition, a Native American tradition? Whose tradition when you talk about traditional values? Here's a definition of morality that you can use in public schools. Any thought, behavior, or action that serves to nurture the self, others, and the environment. Thought, interesting. Disposition, positive dispositions give to the self. All right? Behaviors that take away from others are called immoral behaviors. Those that thought, behavior, or actions that take away or harms the self, other people, or the environment. In this way, a behavior such as drinking or marijuana is immoral because it is harmful to the self, harmful to the emotional self, the social self, and the physical self. Moral dilemmas, values clarification activities, are probably some of the best ways to develop moral reasoning and help students identify what it is, what values, what it is, those things that they value. Students need to practice moral reasoning skills if they are going to develop them. And that's what they do in small groups. You give them a dilemma and they have to figure out the right thing to do. Students need to hear the thoughts and moral reasoning of other students. This is what happens in moral dilemmas and values clarification. I think this is the right thing to do because these are stronger, internally validated ways for students to develop their values and moral reasoning. And values clarification is not an anything goes sort of thing. It's simply those activities that ask students to elucidate and to rank and to identify what it is that they value.